Hey loves, welcome back to my channel Today with Tavana. I am back at it again with another curly product review. This is another black owned business. It's called Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. So let's go ahead and get right into applying this product. Honestly, one of my favorite hair gels. Like, this is one of the best. This product definitely exceeded my expectation. I've never really been into gels, but this one, oh my goodness. This is literally the best gel ever. I am going to spray my hair a little bit just to get it a little bit more wet. You guys check out my new spray bottle from Amazon. You literally just spray it once and then it just mist. Alright, so one thing I do love about this product is it has a little pump, so super easy to get the product out instead of scooping your hand into the product. So just put a couple of squirts. I'm honestly putting a very generous amount in. So I did like 4 pumps of it. It honestly doesn't have a smell at all, so if you are sensitive to smell, this product would be perfect for you. There's really no smell at all. And just look at this soap pot. Like I said, I put a generous amount in my hair. And it doesn't feel crunchy or anything. My hair feels really, like, my curls are already showing that definition. Wow, this is amazing. Look at my curls. Yes, I love this product so much, you guys. Love it. Alright, I'm just gonna spray a little bit more on my hands. Do 3 pumps just because this one's a little bit smaller section. Just gonna put a generous amount again. one more pump just onto the top of my hair. So it kind of slicks it down just a little bit. This gel holds so well. Look at this. Alright, you guys. As you can see, my curls look super defined. They're so moisturized as well. One thing I will say that's really great about this gel is I will be good for the next 4 days. Literally the next few days, I'll just spray a little bit of water and I'll be good to go because it just holds in that product so well that you don't even have to apply it every single day. Literally one time within the 4 days and it's good. So this is the end result. I will say one of the best gels. I absolutely love this product. My hair just looks so nice. Love it. Super bouncy, super moisturized, and there's no frizz as well. There's lots of shine. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video featuring Uncle Funky's Curly Magic. It's literally magic. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.